You can automate lead generation with cold emails without any technical skill required very quickly and easily. Thank you Beam AI for sponsoring this video. In the chat here, I can just say create cold email outreach agent that will collect lead data, craft customized emails and send them to the potential leads. And Beam will automatically start creating these agents without you needing any technical skills. You can just talk to it like you talk to a coworker. So I'm gonna say create here. Now it's asking me for more details and suggesting we integrate LinkedIn, web search, our internal CRM. So I think all of this is good. So I will just say use all of this. I could also say add Google Sheets, add Airtable, or don't use web search, for example. And then it generated the entire detailed description of the workflow that's gonna be generated. And I can give it details, tell it what to change. For now, I will just say this looks good. We can also change it later as well. You can see live how it's generating these nodes. So it just popped these nodes out of thin air and everything is automatically filled. So I will just say this looks good. And now it started to match tools for all of these nodes. For example, we have this get lead tool that's gonna be used in the first node. And after it collects data on that lead, it's gonna create entry in our CRM, HubSpot in this case, but you can easily change to whatever CRM you are using. After it's done the web search, looked at LinkedIn and other sources, it's gonna fill that data into our CRM. And then it's gonna craft the personalized cold outreach email to send to that client based on their own data. And the email will be automatically sent based on your email service. So Beam would just generate the node that's for sending the email, and you can click on that node and click on this tool to select whatever email service you have. And clicking connect here will let you easily connect to your email service. And let's say we have a node that checks if the email is delivered successfully. So branching is very easy to do. Let's say if the email is delivered, I want to do something. So in this branch, I just need to say, for example, user engaged with the email and then do this, or user didn't engage with the email or email is not delivered, then do this. So no complex coding or complex technical skill required. Here, I can say that if user engaged with the email, we want to update the CRM entry saying that user engaged. And I can add another node, maybe send a notification to the responsible salesperson. So insert step, send email to the responsible salesperson for this lead. And that's it. Now it will automatically generate this node. So you see how simple it is. And by clicking add tool and match tool, it will automatically match the tool based on my description. So it may be Gmail, or I may also change the tool here, and then I can just connect the Gmail if it's not already connected in any of the previous steps. And from, reply, subject, body, all of that will be filled by AI automatically. So you don't need to worry about any of that. If we take a look at this tool that generates the email itself, this is an AI tool for writing. So I can just click edit tool and you can see automatically generated prompt that is done by Beam AI based on their research. So you don't need to become a professional prompt engineer or spend 2-3 hours crafting this prompt. It's automatically done by Beam AI. And so it describes exactly how to generate the email based on your task that you described earlier. Beam AI can be used by operations people, business people, sales, marketing, or any other non-technical stuff. You can automate data entry, data processing, emails, financial decisions, customer support, refund requests, order processing, or anything else. So go to beam.ai/SIA demo to request access and start automating.